So, hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. And today we have another big release coming after Grok 4. We have now got Kimi K2. And my friends, it's the best open sourced model so far, and it's best on agentic activities also. So, it's not just outputting text but can do actions as well. In this short video, I'm telling you all the options you can use to try out Kimi K2 for free. Yes, you heard it right. The model is available for free to chat also because the model is quite huge in terms of weights. It has 1 trillion parameters, hence you might not be able to run it locally, but you can test out the model anytime for free. So the first option we have got is Kimi.com. Just browse to Kimi.com, and once you jump here you need to log in with your account. As you can see, Data Science Pocket. Once you are done, you need to switch to the model. The previous was K1.5 and the new flagship model is K2. It has access to the search tool here. If you check, you can disable that too, but the major use case of Kimi K2 is mentioned is with tools only. So let's try it out on a couple of use cases and then we'll jump on to the other options also. Help me plan my trip to Paris for 3 days. So as you can see on my right hand side, it has opened up multiple websites altogether. 12 websites to be honest. TripAdvisor, Reddit, Eurostar, the tour guy, etc. As you can see, it is able to now start out the output for us: day one classic icons and left bank charm. It is also able to give us a table. I can see different GUIs present here. It is also giving us a reference. See, the only tool it can use for now is search in the UI, but once you're running it locally, I'll be showing you how to run it locally also. You can use multiple other tools also. It is just one of the demonstrations. Right, here you can see that it is now giving me the entire table and all. So let it output this. Let me start a new chat. Let me ask it another question. What are your thoughts about Indian cricket team current performance in the England versus India test series? Let's see how it handles this. As you can see, it is web searching 22 websites. That's quite good, and it's quite fast also, and it is able to fetch out the latest information. India's current position in the third test at Lords. It is, for now it is using the search tool, but other tools are also accessible. And as you can see, it's free to use. And now you have access to the best open source model, which is able to beat out GPT 4.1 and Claude Sonnet. That too for free. I think this is a big deal, and I think you guys should take full advantage of it. Now let it output. Let's jump on to our other option. For example, if people know about this particular website, it might get a huge traffic. So we have other options too. And for sure, it's Hugging Face. So on Hugging Face spaces, just search for Moonshot AI, Kimi K2 Instruct. And in spaces, there are two spaces that are coming up. You need to select this one, Jolly's one. Once this is done, you need to do a couple of things. You need to log in with your account, because I think at the background, as you can see, it is saying I'm using the API. So it might not be an unlimited provider, because Hugging Face APIs has certain limits, but still I would take it up if you want to just test it out. So let me try out this sample question. It might be a little slower also, because Hugging Face is working on a shared backend. So in that case, Kimi.com would be always faster and a better option. But this is also a decent option if that is too busy. As you can see, this option is quite slow also, but it will be able to give you an output, that's for sure. Now as you can see, our output has coming to picture. It's very slow. Okay, imagine there's an invisible blanket all around the earth called gravity. Hands, something. So I'm not jumping onto the outputs for now. I'm not testing it on the outputs, but I'm just showing you the options to use it for free. The next option is always the open source models, right? The weights has been given. The codes are also given. So you just need to search for Kimi K2 instruct or base. If you want to chat, better to use instruct model. And once you scroll down, every information is present here. I'll be covering it in short for now. I have been dedicating a video for explaining this benchmarks and information coming soon. So if you jump here, they have given some codes also, and you can test out the model using the codes also if you have enough bandwidth, if you have enough hardware. As you can see, you can also talk to the model for free on the inference provider section also. Hey, what's up? Let's try it out whether it is able to output something or not. Again, any inferencing for Kimi is looking a little slower for me on Hugging Face, so better use Kimi.com. So by the time it gives us an output, let's jump on to the actual GitHub repo by Moonshot AI. Here also they've mentioned everything as you can see, and the weights are present here as well. Now coming to our last section, if you want to use the API for this model, it is paid for now, but I think pretty soon someone will be giving us a free API also, so don't worry about it. Here you can see that the product pricing is given here. It's not that huge, I would say. If you look here, Kimi K2, 1 million tokens, input is quite cheap. Input price, output price, and I would say I think it's quite takeable compared to the other models. So for now, these are our options: Kimi.com, Hugging Face Spaces. Even Hugging Face weights can also be used, and there is an inference provider there also. As you can see, our output is up, but it's quite slow. And then if you want to use the APIs, you can get it from Kimi official API documentation. So these are the free options you can use Kimi K2. Apart from that, hope you try using the model. It's quite good, and given the benchmarks, I think it's worth trying out. Thank you so much.